To do this job, you're going to have to get underneath the vehicle, so you're going to want to safely raise and support it, just enough so you can squeeze underneath there. To get started on this mount, I climbed right underneath the vehicle because this is the easiest place for me to do the job. Overall, you can do the majority of it up above, in exception of just this one nut. I'm going to remove this nut and then we'll move along. If you look right up along the driver's side of the mount, you're going to see where the wiring pushes into. We're going to go ahead and get that clip out of there. So next what you need to do is apply a little bit of pressure underneath your engine. You don't want to go directly in the center of the pan, and you definitely don't want to go in the center of your transmission pan. Find a nice stable spot, use a piece of wood because that's of course going to flex a little bit right where you're planning on jacking. This is a perfect spot right here, tiny bit of pressure, and now we'll remove that center nut. Grab that bolt, use your 18mm socket and remove the 2 upper mounting bolts. This top one. All right, let's get this up and out of here. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to put our brand new forward mount on. One thing that I like to mention is that every single bolt or nut that I removed, I'm going to make sure that I used a little bit of red thread locker. Slides right down. We'll start in this nut and then we'll start in that bolt real quick. Start in both upper bolts. Okay, that's nice and tight. That's tight. 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 Let's get our jack out of here. Let's make sure we connect our wiring back in. That's it.